Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm excited to share with you an artificial intelligence image generator that we can all use. See, you were waiting for me to say, oh, Ryan, are you going to show us one of these like private tools that isn't useful? Yeah, it might make for a cool video, but is it helping? No, today we are going to look at one that we can all use today, right now. For instance, of course, I had to tell it to generate an image of an astronaut riding a unicorn. Why? I have no clue. Why not? It's pretty epic, right? And it actually generated this image right behind me. So this is going to be a really fun, really cool video that hopefully we can all benefit from. And if you guys end up watching this video and maybe like a month or 2 months down the line making a lot of money from using this tool, please let me know. Email me or something, because I want to be able to like respond and let everybody know, hey, like there were some really creative ways people used the AI image generator. So let's get right to it. All right, guys, so the tool is provided by Creative Fabrica and it is called Spark. Now, I'm going to drop 2 links in the description. The first one will be a link where you can join Creative Fabrica for only $1. That's a special link that they made available for me to use on my channel. And that's for people that aren't members. I know a lot of you guys that watch already are. And in that case, I will drop a second link and it'll link right to the Spark page. And this is all you have to do, guys, right? They have a little search bar, or it's not a search bar. I guess you're typing in the instructions for the AI. You tell it what you want to see. So why don't we say little Chihuahua puppy, I don't know, I was going to say riding a unicorn, but we already did that, didn't we? Attached to balloons? I mean, I don't know, like a Chihuahua puppy flying through the sky, maybe attached to balloons. You can kind of think of anything you want. And the AI, I don't know exactly what AI they're using, by the way. They didn't let me know. But they did reach out to me and let me know about this. Okay, so they have little Chihuahua puppies with balloons. What else can we do? Something super random, like a mummy eating corn. I don't know, right? Like it's just, we need like a random thought generator or something like that. But as you guys can see here, it's just generating, looks like 4 images at a time. Okay, so it didn't do the mummy, but it did do little children eating corn. So it's not perfect, and I'm guessing it'll get better with time. You can see I've experimented with this a little bit in the past. Also, let me just jump ahead real quick and show you my favorite output. And I haven't actually tested yet if we should type in like hand drawn to see if it'll affect the design style. But here I typed in astronaut riding unicorn on moon graphic. And so the way this works, guys, is when it generates these little thumbnails, you can hover over it and you can click the upscale button. So you see I'm hovering over this astronaut right here. I can click upscale and it'll take maybe like 10 seconds and generate the higher resolution image for us. So I already did that here on the astronaut riding a unicorn. And what it then does is it publishes this to Creative Fabrica. Now I don't know if we get paid if it sells. Like I don't think it was actually for sale. But that being said, it published to like my, creator profile, for instance. And, it's available here, I think permanently. So you can go ahead and click download and then use it in your designs. Now, there was one thing I wanted to mention, and that is that the design itself, when you download it from Creative Fabrica, and when I provided some feedback after testing the tool, I said, it would be great if we could get it at a higher resolution. Currently, it looks like these graphics are only made available at 512 by 512 pixels, which is not that useful because it is low resolution. But just to show you guys how we may be able to make some sales from these images. I mean, obviously you can brainstorm, you can go a lot of different directions with this, but I uploaded it to Redbubble and I was able to make it look pretty good. So I jumped on over to Redbubble here, uploaded the image, and as you can see here, it may not be that well optimized for like a t-shirt. Even if I put it in the middle and zoomed in, I mean, you could argue maybe, maybe not. I personally don't think that looks that great, so I don't even know if I would enable that. I might just disable, the things that don't look that good, or you could do something like, on the products that support it, you could pattern it. So you can go to choose pattern and you can click regular grid, all right? And then you could do something like that, maybe downscale or upscale the image. It's going to look better on some products than others. So realistically, I'd probably disable these. You can see here like the A-line dress with the pattern, stickers and magnets. Obviously, this would look great as a sticker or a magnet. You can do pillows, totes, mouse pads. You may need to tile it. By the way, there's different ways to tile these images with Redbubble specifically. Like you can do no pattern and it's just there by itself. Regular grid, which I thought looked best for these like square images like this astronaut riding unicorn, or the offset grid. Again, you can kind of choose what you think looks best. and kind of roll with that. But I mean, the dog mats looked fine, cat mats, pet blankets. So I did just want to jump on over here and show you that it's, you know, if we get a higher resolution version, that'll be better. But I don't think these products look, you know, all that bad, right? It's certainly more optimal to have it. It all depends. It all depends. I think in this case, tiling it though looked pretty good. So I jumped on over to Etsy and I'm just kind of brainstorming on the fly here. Like I typed in Halloween posters because obviously, you know, it's gonna probably look best when you have this style of an image where they're not like transparent PNGs, right? It's generating square images. Would probably translate well into posters potentially. For instance, like this says popular now, and it looks like it's a Salem witch, black cat, and witch. All right, so kind of Salem. Let's see, we could market it as Salem, even if it doesn't say Salem. But let's say, or let's try Salem witch trials. I mean, I have no clue if that's gonna come up with anything. We don't know what AI they're using or how deep it really goes in its knowledge of history. Shout out to Hocus Pocus too, by the way. We watched that movie the other day, and it opened up in Salem, so no spoilers there, hopefully. Salem witch trials, and maybe we can open in a new tab and kind of work on a separate one at the same time. Oh, there you go. You can see the results on the new tab before they show up here. Interesting. So you can actually see it did actually come up with some pretty I mean, check this out, guys. That's pretty cool. It came up with some decent results here. And these may actually work for what we may use them for, like an Etsy poster. I mean, that's kind of creepy. These are, it's a little weird, right? That's a little weird. And look at the textures in the drawings and whatnot, but it's not a drawing, right? This is AI. I don't know. Let's say witch and black cat in Salem, maybe? I don't know. Whoops. I accidentally backed out. Witch and black cat in Salem. And see what pops up here. I don't know if there's limitations on using this. I haven't run into any usage limits yet. If you guys end up testing this out, which I don't know why you wouldn't, it's pretty cool. Let me know, like, what was your favorite niche, you know, comment below. Let me know what you were able to kind of come up with. Were you happy? Were you not that happy? So these are a little bit more like basic looking designs that it's kind of come up with here. Like these look like you went to a cheap vector site. Whereas these other ones, like this one that we upscaled here, I mean, that one is kind of creepy. Both of these are. The black and white ones to me are just creepy. Like you may actually be able to get away with selling it on Etsy. And like we said here, you know, over 20 people have this in their cart right now. So it's not like this is me stretching to fit the video topic here. Like people are actually buying this. And I think we came up with a pretty good potential AI generated poster. I mean, I don't know what it is, man. It's like the dark faces in the background or something. It's just weird. Guys, yeah, let me know your thoughts. I mean, check out Spark by Creative Fabrica. Again, there's 2 links in the description. The first one's going to be so you can join for $1. There's no need to overpay. Second one is so you can use the tool if you're not, or if you are already a member, guys. So check it out. Let me know what you think, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Please hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. That would be much appreciated. Also in the description, I've got a link to my free 8-day print-on-demand mini course and my print-on-demand Facebook group. So I hope you check those out as well. All right, guys, I'll see you tomorrow.